So, hello guys, this is me. I'm playing Airplane Part 1. So, I'm playing this because everybody loves this game and I have one win because I already played this all time. So, let's do it. So, there you go. How did you just get out? What the dog doing happened? This is my first time playing it, so we are now playing Airplane Part 1. Okay, my seat is F6. We need to find F6. F6. Where's F6? F6. There you go, F6. Wait. What did it just say? Wait. Let me see what it say. A, B, C, D, E. Wait. A, B, C, D, F. Wait, where's the E letter? Did they forgot the letter E? Okay, H, I, J. So, that is supposed to be no. There's no J. There's only I. I cannot even see. Oh, this is 6. Okay, feel free to explore the plane. Okay, F6. Now please find your seat. We are about to cross an area. Hi. Okay, everybody sitting. Okay, why are you not even in your seat? He will turn that to you. You're just 6. H. Thank you for your completion. Okay. Get ready as your crew. Prepare a snack for everyone. Okay? Hello everyone. We are the crew members. Will be delivering the delicious sandwich. Okay? Enjoy. Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. Okay, that was so delicious. Yum yum. It's so delicious. It's so okay. Dot monkey. I'm not feeling very well. Wait, this sandwich has mayo? I'm allergic to mayo. I'm not allergic if this is just fake. Oh no, quickly. We need lunar package. Okay, let's find those. I found it. Okay, you found it. Where is it? Is it the pink one? Phew. That was very close one. Okay. Good afternoon to all. In performance, you will reach it unstable with a good time. Sit back and take a nap. Enjoy the ride. Okay. It's getting dark. That's okay. Okay, it's now middle of the night. Good night, passenger. Remember to stretch your leg. Yeah. And we still have a few hours to go. Z. Okay. Wait, what is happening? It's upper that wheel lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it. Guys, look! What is that on the right wing? Wait, what is that? Wait, who is that? Is that a monster? Okay, you will not survive. Oh no. Are those snakes? Okay, those snakes are disgusting. Yo, don't worry, we're not die, and we will go to what? We will go to heaven. Yeah, that's true, by the way, but not for Roblox. Not for Roblox. Where will... Wait. Go, go, go! Okay, all of us, 4 of us is still here. Okay. Okay. Okay, I don't know what is the chat. The final still alive. 6. Guys, there is on us quickly. We will be safer here. That was scary. We should discuss what the dog doing is happening. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what happened. If they say if I am in the video. Okay, this fish guy is so creepy. Do not buy that fish. I hate it so much. I will laugh. What is even that? Okay. Phew, we have now... Wait. Can I smell no oxygen? Okay, he said the power is back up. And the snakes are gone too. Thank God. The creature on the wing is also gone. Also gone. Creepy. Wait. Passenger, we have good news and bad news. Okay? Captain. The good news is the power is back up. But the bad news is that we're losing certification oxygen. Yes, I have the mask. How? Okay. Oh no, he died. Only 4 of us. This mask will keep you safe until the oxygen levels. Wait, what is happening? Anyone survive? Oh my God! What is this? Wait, what is this? It looks like a bomb! Oh no! Wait, what's the? What are we gonna do? Okay, everyone, calm down. If we find something cut this cable, we might save Oh Boo Boo too. Let's go! Scissors, 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 scissors. I found it, a pair of scissors. Which cable we should cut? I cut blue. I want blue cable. Oh no, we're only 3 of us left. He did not make it. Wait, still of us is still left too. Wait. Oh no, 2 of us are still left. Okay. We haven't heard the crew in a while. We should find them. I found them! They are crossing. What is up? We need the captain. Quickly get to the captain room. It's locked. There's something happening inside. Trouble. Hurry up. There you go. 6-1. I found it, the code. 6103. 6103. Okay. Okay. Oh, wait, what is that? It's the creature. You will pay for what you've done. You think you're here accounted, but you're not. I brought you here, all of you. We two of us? That is not possible. It is, and now, your time to die. The captain is curious. And the plane is falling, yeah. What are we gonna do? The airplane is falling. What are we gonna do? We need to find the airport button. Okay. Click everything to find that button before we die. Everything we can possibly click. Guys, we cannot make it. I found the button! Finally! We did it! We saved the plane! It has been crazy, crazy flight. I just want to go home already, yeah. Now we all need to do is find the emergency phone. We need to call for help. Okay. Hello? We need help. Our captain is curious. Don't worry. We will get home. You will. Everyone okay? Yes, we are okay. The autopilot mode is on. Okay, we'll track your location. We are talking. Control. There is one last task you have someone needs to keep the plane on track. If you find someone sitting in the pilot seat inside the captain. Okay, everyone, I got this. Wait, what's that? Wait, is that the creature? Oh no, it's back. It is back. Yeah. Muhahaha. You humans are funny. You're seriously had already been invited. Last chance, bring them at you. Crash this plane and we will rule down the world eternally. Oh no. Oh no. I'm not doing it. I'm saving this plane. You humans are also weak. This is not the last time you will see me. Muhahaha. It is gone. Wait, he said was not the last time we see him. What did he mean? Yeah. Who cares? Let's get back home now. I'm about to throw up. Yes, we did it! Victory! Yes, we did it. So thank you for watching. Bye-bye.